Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, part two, if you like, of the Goldwing winter brake washout. I've got to do this, I cannot sidestep it. I can't ride this bike with the brakes in that state. And as I already said, the winter at the moment around here where we live does this to your bike about every 4 weeks. But it's getting better because it's spring in a minute, so it's not the end of the world. And this hopefully will be the last proper clean out until the summer. Anyway, I've got to get on with that. I also want to say thank you for your patience with the Husqvarna project, because at the end of the next video we will sign it off as done. That's that finished, and we will reveal the very next project bike. But that's in the next video, and for this I've got work to do. So let's get on with it. In your Honda Goldwing manual, it will tell you to take this pannier box off to get to the rear brake caliper. It's kind of about there, but a foot further in. It really is hard work to get to. Even taking the wheel out is quite difficult on these because you've got all this bodywork. Now, when you take your rear wheel out or clean your rear brakes, as often as I do with this bike, you need a handy workaround, and I have one. And it's a well-known thing amongst those who work on Goldwings. It's a very easy way to get all this bodywork out of the way without dismantling hardly any of it. I'll show you.
Yeah, comfy.
Comfy.
All right, now hopefully if you own a Goldwing and you do your own servicing, that little trick, swiveling the back end in the air, will help you out. Stick it in the save box, ever so easy, loosen 4 bolts, and pretty much, apart from dropping the exhaust out the way, it all swivels forward. You get total access to the back end. It's designed that way. They just don't tell you to do it like that in the manual, but that's how everybody does it. Anyway, there we are. If you haven't got a Goldwing, I hope you enjoyed it for entertainment anyway. Now, I couldn't do the finishing video for the Husqvarna because the upholstery isn't back yet. It should be here tomorrow. Once the seat is back, I can put the seat on, the belly pan on, put some mirrors on it, give it a good double check round, do the torque wrench check on every single nut, bolt and fastener that I've touched, make sure everything is torqued up to spec, and sign it off. And at the very end of that, we'll show you the next project bike that we've got. I'll see you then.